everybody, I am IC Dragon 3 and welcome to Scratch. Uh, in my previous video, I made this cake clicker where you click the cakes, you get the upgrades, but now we're going to do something different. Just like always, click it or click the create button or drag it up. Scratch.mint.edu, go there. Then you will be redirected to the projects editor. Yeah, untitled thing. Now I forgot where I forgot to tell you what we're doing for this video. Well, we're creating a maze game. A game where you go through a maze. Sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. That pun was terrible, and I know it. But I had to bring the pun. I had to do the pun. I have to say the pun. Now just make a tiny little person. A tiny person. Then just you can do anything. You have green eyes. Make sure he's facing to the right. Like that way. Now do that. Yep. He has eyes now. This is yep. Just make a tiny person. Yep. Just do that. Yep. And now you've made a tiny person. Look at him. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. He's going to have red eyes. Yep. Red eyes. Now just make a maze. Just name this player and just make a maze. Make a maze in mazes so that it. Is that spelled correct? Yeah, that's spelled correctly. Now just make it any color of your choice. I'm going to do blue because I like blue. Just make a border so that he can escape. Well, he can escape through there. That's the opening. But now just create the maze. There. Don't make it too narrow or he'll get stuck. He won't be able to go through the maze. This is just a simple maze. I'm sure you can get through this very easy maze. Just create a maze like that. Make sure the character can fit through. Going up here, he can't fit through here. So make that a little small. Now he's going through here. Here. Can't go up there. Oh, it's because I didn't put it at 0, 0, of course. Make sure it's at 0, 0. He will be able to go up there. Yep. Move this a little. Yep. Then just make a maze. Okay. I think we're done. Pretty soon. Yep, that's done. Now just duplicate the sprite. Put it at 0, 0 again. Look, it looks the same. Then put a green thing right here. Now just delete the rest of the maze. Yep. Then duplicate it again and duplicate the same sprite and make an entrance point. The entrance point is purely optional, but it looks better when you do it. Now just delete all of the maze. Yup. Now name this N3. Name this exit. Yup. See, you go through here, then you reach the exit. Yeah. Then take the player. Then when flag clicked, we need him to go right there at the starting point. So you make him go here. Make him go here. Negative, let's see, negative 20 and 9. How is? Oh yeah, I get it. 100. Negative 100. How isn't it? Negative 1000. No. How is 100? All the way over there. I don't get it. 99. Supposed to be here. Oh, 199. So it will be 200. Yep. Just make him go to 200. Then go 160. Yep, that looks good. Now I'm just going to make this go to the front. Go to front layer. Then go to front layer. Go to the most front layer. Yup, that's good. Now he has to move. So to make him move, do a forever if well, we don't need 3 of the ifs that I just said. So if key up arrow pressed, then change y by, let's see how fast that is. 5. See, yep, that looks fast enough. Now just duplicate that. Key down arrow press negative 5. Now he'll just go up and down. He won't go left and right. So to fix that, just duplicate both of these. Key left press. No, key right press, then key left pressed. Remove the change y by blocks. Then replace them with the change x blocks. I messed up. Yup, I fixed it. Yep. Negative 5, 5. So now he can just move around wherever he feels he wants to go. He can just go in here. Like that. He can just walk through this wall, go through that wall, and go there. We actually need collision. This man is not facing. Actually, remove those to make, if you have a player that looks like this, that is facing to the right, you need him to face to the right. If it's just a dot, you can use the previous controls, but If you want him to like move, or his eyes to move where he's going, then just do move 5 steps, move 5 steps, move 5 steps, and you know what? Move 5 steps. Then point in direct. If you press any key now, you'll just go left. But to fix that, if right arrow pressed, point in direction 90. If left arrow pressed, point in direction negative 90. Down arrow 180. And finally, up arrow. Uh, uh, Up arrow 0. So now he moves where you want him to move. I'll just point in direction 0 when he first enters. Look, he can point any way you want him to now. He can look any way he wants to. Now you need to do, and if touching, this is easier than you type. If you think it's hard, it's not really hard to add collision. If you think it's hard to add collision, it's just do if touching maze, then just move -5 steps at the very end. Now he can. Now there's some collision, but that's a problem. When you press 2 keys at the same time, you just phase right through the wall. So to fix that, I'll just test something here. I'm just testing. This may not work. Don't follow my instructions right now. Yep. When you go up here, nope, you phase right through it. Okay, so I think you need to duplicate this 4 times. No, don't duplicate that. Then just put this at the end. I think that will work. Let's see if it. Yeah, it works now. He can't phase right through walls. Okay, I don't think this is necessary. Nope. Okay, so all you need to do is add if touching maze move -5 steps or the speed that you want him to go. Just copy that 4 times and just add it to the scripts. I'm going to make it a little bit easier to control the speed of this sprite. So I'm going to do for speed variable, make a speed variable for this sprite only. Speed, then speed times -1 speed. Okay, now just duplicate, and duplicate. There. and there, speed times negative. You can to do this. To make it so that you can control it with the press of a button. You just need to make a variable like this called speed. It can be any name, of course. Then just put it there where the if touching maze was move speed times -1 steps. Then when any arrow clicked, then press, then move speed steps. And at the start, set speed to 5. So now it should still work. Yep. Speed 2. Okay, the slower the speed is, the more you can touch the wall. It's so slow. 3. Just trying to find a good speed here. Yep. That's good. Yep. You can make a timer, but you don't have to. Well, to make this all work, you just need to add another if statement. If I'll just make it so that if you're touching the end, you can't move. You cannot move. This is optional, but you can do it so that it doesn't move when it touches the green exit. When touching exit, yep. If it's not touching exit, you don't move. Let's see if that works. You can still move. You can go to the entry. It's taking a long time. It's so slow. Go through the maze. Go through the maze. And if you reach the exit, you cannot move. Yep, that's what I thought. And at the exact end of all the scripts, if no, you need to go to the maze thing actually to do when flag clicked. Need to make it smaller. Forever, if actually we do need to do it. If touching the maze, if touching the exit, then send a signal, like broadcast a message which says you won. Broadcast you won when you reach the exit, and when I receive you won. You can do this, but again, it's even this one is optional. That one that I showed before, this one is not optional. It's required, but like this script not touching exit, this is optional too. When the flag clicked, then switch to show when you receive U1 hide. Do the same. You can do the same. Then you can do the same. And something extra. You can do something extra. You can, when I receive U1, then you can show something that says you won. Next one. thanks for playing. Then a thanks for playing. Yep, can do that. Just make it so that it's the. You can do something like this. This is totally optional, but you can do it. Green. Green for win because you won. Go in there, there, and there. No, that's not good. Yep. Then use the green. Yep. And that's what you can do. It's optional, but you can do it. You can do U1 and game in progress. Yep. And the game is in progress. I'm just going to make it so that it's yellow. Background is yellow. Yep. I think that's good. Okay. Now when it starts, game in progress, when you won, then you switch to U1. Now let's test our game. When you click the flag, you go back, you go to the beginning. Now when you move through the maze, this guy's a little slow. Yep. Just move through the maze. Yep. Yep. Just move. Then when you touch it, you won. Thanks for playing. Yay. Then when you click it again, it goes back to normal. That's how to make a simple maze game. Simple maze game. You can add extra things. That's why. But anyway, that's it for the video. See you in the next video. Bye.